Just charging the gooloo. Bought this NOCO GC117, and I decided to charge the gooloo up through the port here. And what I did is this NOCO is this cable right here comes with these battery clamps, so I can charge it off of a battery like this that I have in the garage. This battery is a used battery that I took out of one of my edges, but it's got like 12 some volts on it. I can check the voltage on it and make sure that we have enough voltage on this thing. Not quite sure what we got, but we can check it out. Won't be that hard, so let me try to get this figured out. I won't be able to do it with both hands per se, I don't think. You can try to see what I got. And it's 12.54 volts, 5.3. And what I'm trying to do is discharge this battery down. As you can see that it's doing it. So once we get this battery jump pack charged, let's check this voltage and see what it's down to, because I'm trying to discharge this battery so I can recondition it, see if I can't save it, but I don't think there's much saving it. But let's discharge it a bit and see what happens. It's dropping pretty quick. Quick little review on this NOCO. Guess they've been at it for a while according to their advertising. The cables and everything are like 24 inches long. Prior to use, read and understand the safety precautions. Do not connect the 12-volt female plug to any power source until other connections are made. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and connect the black clamp to the negative. Wow! Okay, we got that. When disconnecting, disconnect in reverse sequence. So, red first, black second. Pretty simple. The X-Connect battery clamp allows you to use a 3mm hex key wrench, that's not included, to easily remove the clamps so you can access ring terminals. So you can take the clamps off. Don't know. That's not in English except for the first part. Don't say. Let's see. Where's it made? Anybody bet China? Made in China. Designed in the USA. Yeah, I've seen a lot of that lately. Anyway, it's a NOCO GC017 X-Connect 12-volt socket with clamps. That's pretty much what we're getting out of this whole shebang. That's what the clamps look like, and that's what the ring clamps once you remove the clamps. So, that's pretty much it. And the logo and all that good stuff. Not much else there. But I thought it would be a pretty decent addition to have handy, because I'm thinking about doing something else, because the NOCO, or not the NOCO, the gooloo comes with this 12-volt plug. And interestingly enough, when you look at it, it says output. So you plug that end in here, plug that into your 12-volt power supply on your edge, and do you keep it powered up while you change the battery out? Might be the solution. We'll have to try that later. Well, we got the gooloo charged. It is right up there. You can see all 4 bars plugged into this charger with the adapters into the gooloo using an Exide battery that was not on the charger. It's just an old battery that fails test, but I got done drawn on it and it came out to 12.73 volts. Not bad for a battery that's on the way out, but did get the gooloo jump start pack set up. So my next experiment, of course, will be trying to maintain the voltage while changing out a battery. But anywho, the NOCO, yep, it definitely helped in the whole process as far as charging. Plugged into it, and it was off to the races. Got everything charged off of that battery. So I'm sure that Exide battery is worth several charges to top off the gooloo. But if all else fails, I can just plug it into this with the USB and charge it that way too. So no harm, no foul. I was just playing around and thought maybe I'd check this out. Anyways, MACT, little short thing, little project I was working on just to check how things worked out and if the batteries had enough juice left in them to charge up a jump pack, which they do. So hey, it's a bonus. I could keep the batteries around and use them for other projects without turning them in, because they do have enough juice to, you know, probably do a few things here and there. So anyways, MACT, make sure you like, subscribe, join, all that good stuff. Join up on this old MeWe and Rumble and all this other stuff that I do. And by all means, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too.